What's going on, everyone? So today my boy Justin is here with the RSX.
What's going on, my people?
And we are going to, well, mainly him, we're going to put this rear brake caliper on. And because that one is freezing up and it's not good binding and twisting. All right, so obviously take the wheel off first.
I will say this first. I'm a virgin when it comes to this, so all you car enthusiasts, please do not make fun of me. Bear with me. Nice.
All right, so next step, you take this bowl out right here, and this bottom one right here. This should be 12 millimeters. So now you want to pry off the caliper using a pry bar or a big flathead screwdriver. All right, so now what you want to do is take this bolt off right here. This is a 14 millimeter. And then there's also, let me see the light down here more. And there's also this one right here. All right, so for this socket, we're gonna use a 14 millimeter wrench because it's not a lot of space here to work with. All right, so next you wanna unbolt this one and this one so this cable can move from this little piece right here. All right, so after you get those two bolts out, this is way easier to move. And you unhook this little piece right here. Oh. You unhook that piece off of this piece. All that's left is this hose, a little right here, the line, the brake line. That's all that's left. And before we put them on, we're gonna paint them with the caliper paint. Because if you don't, they'll end up looking like this, all rusty. So I suggest you paint them before you put them on. So while we wait for the paint to dry, Sunday fun day. Perfect. All right, so everything's all dried up now. And we disconnect it right here. Make sure you keep the two washers or put new two washers that you have. One where the caliper is and then one more towards the nut. And then make sure it doesn't leak all over your floor. You could use vice grips or something just to hold it so it don't leak. We use these right here. And so now it should just be a reverse process. Everything you took off, now you just put everything back on. All right, brackets on. Don't forget to grease the sliders right here and a little bit right here. Also, don't forget to connect your cable right here for the e-brake with the two bolts on each side. All right, so everything's all good. Sliders in, brackets in, pads. All right, Justin's put on that wheel.
All right, buddy, let's do this shit.
And them nice type S wheels right there.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
Boom. All right, guys, let's go for a test drive. So we almost forgot to bled the system, and we just did right before we're going on a test drive. Really make sure it works.
Yeah.
All right, so we just got back from the test drive. Everything went well. Pretty much done here. Justin, got anything to say?
Basically, I appreciate the work that Brian has done. He helped me step by step on how to set that up. Like we said before, there's many more to come, more videos, a lot more content. So please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and be ready for more.
On that note, I'll catch you on the next one.